Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Asia. This is our afternoon update, guys. This is the Ric Flair of crypto in the house, guys. And Dogecoin to the moon. So, guys, Dogecoin is definitely going to the moon. Guys, get ready. It's amazing. This is going to be life-changing. This is going to change everything. Woo! I am so excited, guys, to be alive that we're seeing huge catalysts for Dogecoin. We got the Robinhood wallets. We got AMC. We got the fee structure. We got the speed. We got you, the Dogecoin community. And one of the most important factors of the Dogecoin apocalypse and the things going up to the moon is the fact that you out there, the Dogecoin community, is so pumped, so on fire, and we're coming back, guys. Remember, sure, we've seen that, last month the Dogecoin's transactions were the lowest that they've been since like 2017, but that didn't keep us down. Amazing, guys. It's such a great time to be alive. Dogecoin to the moon. So, guys, Dogecoin is definitely going to the moon. We're going to talk about a whole bunch of catalysts. We're going to talk about how I think that October is setting up to be one of the best months for Bitcoin this season, guys. And we're also going to talk about how 2021, and we're going to see a double top, and this absolutely mimicking the same thing that happened in 2013. Dogecoin to the moon. And it's amazing, guys. You're going to see all that and more and more and more. We also had Plan B. He just retweeted his December forecast, and he's looking at $100,000 incoming for the biddy, my biddy. So Charles, my biddy, is out of the doghouse because Charles, my Bitcoin, he's starting to perform very well, guys. So I'm so excited. And remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is just the OG in the house just saying this video is for educational entertainment purposes. So you have been entertained, and let's get it, guys. Dogecoin to the moon. So, woo, I'm so excited, guys. I'm on fire. So it's pretty much a happy day here in Asia. And guys, don't forget to go back and watch my previous video. We just had a video that came out around about 2 hours ago. Biggest pump ever coming. And we can see that all the catalysts, biggest pump ever. Also, some of the other news we're going to talk about is Twitter in the house is going to start allowing you to tip creators with Bitcoin and also fiat currency. So this is really good. So it means that creators are now going to be allowed to, people are going to show the love. So, guys, once that happens, go to my Twitter. Show the love for OG. Dogecoin to the moon. So, guys, let's get it. Let's jump into the content right now without further delay. And remember, don't forget to do one thing for the OG. Show some love. And remember, smash the likes. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you like this content. Tell the YouTube algorithm that you love the OG. You love the Ric Flair. You love the vanilla ice baby of crypto in the house. Dogecoin to the moon. And let's get it, guys. Woo! So the big story here is that you guys all know that Twitter right now, I hate these pop-ups, guys. These pop-ups are just insane. And so we can see that Twitter rolls out Bitcoin tipping safety features in product push. So you guys can see that, right now it's in beta. It's going to roll out to iOS devices first. And, and this is really going to be good because it's going to allow people to absolutely start giving appreciation to creators on Twitter. And I really think that not only that, I think Twitter has huge big plans for Bitcoin, So September 23rd, September will be allowed to tip their favorite content creators with Bitcoin and launch a fund to pay some users to host audio chat rooms. So this is really bullish news, guys. Hopefully you guys will love it. I love it. I'm excited. And something big is going to happen with Bitcoin. Dogecoin to the moon. So guys, let's get some more news. And here's the other big news is that we can see that if we look at the cycle tops between 2021 and 2013, we can see that we're exactly right here in terms of cycle top. We had this top here, and you can see in 2013, just before at the end of the year, we had another top. And you guys can see here that if we look at the Fibonacci, if the comments, we look at the Fibonacci 1618, and this line went all the way from 2012 all the way to here, and we met the top here, and we met the top here. And if you look at where we are now, and we take this cycle top of the connects both the Fibonacci, so we met the first peak at 1618, And you can see in 2013, the first peak was at 1.618 of the Fibonacci retracement levels. So if that holds true, we could see that the next top will be met. The next top will also be at the Fibonacci level, and that's looking. If we look at the top here, it's saying $200,000 incoming for Bitcoin based on if we see that 2013, 2021 repeating. So this is really bullish, guys. Dogecoin to the moon. So this is really bullish, guys, and I think you guys should get prepared, buckle up, because by the end of this year, we got Plan B, saying 100K. We got Plan B saying 135K. We got this whole Fibonacci 168, the golden pocket, is telling us that if 2013 and 2021 repeat itself, we could absolutely be seeing, close to $200,000 Bitcoin coming in. Guys, just take a look at that. It's right here. It's right there. It's in plain sight, guys. So we could see this double peak happening, and it's amazing, guys, and it's a great time to be alive. So you can see here, this is a tech dev, and he's giving also some predictions. He's also giving some predictions where he thinks that Bitcoin is going to be, and he's saying that since October 2020, Bitcoin has followed the 1970s gold fractal to near perfect. So if you look at the 2020 Bitcoin price, and then you overlay the 1970 gold price, you can see that fractal is almost exactly the same, guys. So if that's true, that's amazing. So based on that, he's saying that we could be seeing, let's dive in, guys. We could be seeing end of September, 43 to 58,000 coming in, October 53 to 67,000 coming in, and that kind of lines up where Plan B said, because he said around 63K, December 77 to 100,000, and January 180 to 320. So let's look at these charts. So you can see the blue is the gold, 1970s gold. And red and green is the 2020, 2021 Bitcoin. So you can see that they line up almost identical. So if you watch this fractal, then I think these prices could actually be accurate, could be coming in. Maybe we could see $180,000 Bitcoin coming in. So this would be really, really amazing, guys. Dogecoin to the moon. So I love it. You love it. Let's get some more content, guys. So let's take a look at this coming in. You can see the Bitcoin's exchange flow inflow continues to indicate upcoming volatility and market turning points. So we're seeing a little bit more of Bitcoin coming back into the exchanges. So we could see some more volatility. But don't forget, we got the options expiration coming very soon, guys. And if you look at the options expiration that's coming end of the month, we have the max pain level here, and you can see, if you get this low, that right now the max pain of the options expiration, and then what the max pain is this is a level when the maximum number of option traders will get wiped out, right? So we can see that the index price, the max pain is 44. So it looks like the exchanges, the leverage exchanges, are already predetermined that the max pain level is 44,000. So you're probably going to see that Friday, you're going to see that Bitcoin is probably going to dip down to 44,000 if we're above that. So 44,000 will definitely hold when we have this options expiration coming pretty soon, guys. So that's really cool. Some other news that's coming in. Nexo eyes SEC broker license while U.S. competitors face regulatory pressure. So Nexo, what they're going to do is they're going to launch another product, and what they want to do is they want to actually get a broker-dealer license, and that way they don't have Gary Gensler in the house going crazy, because he's a Debbie Downer when it comes to Bitcoin and crypto and Doge. So guys, and don't forget that Gary Gensler, he's going to be out of there probably in 2024 when we have the next cycle. So hopefully he won't do too much damage. And so let's just keep our eyes up. But they're really ratcheting up the regulatory pressure in the U.S., and it's not good. So that's one of the reasons that I'm in the U.S., because too much regulation. That's all I got to say. Dogecoin. So guys, let's jump into some more newsy woozy woos. So TA Bitcoin revisits 45. Why dips turn attractive in short term? So, once again, you guys always want to be buying the dip. So Bitcoin price extended to increase above 44 level. We're going to talk about the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin right now, if you look at this, you can see that Bitcoin is actually at 44,403. So, that's pretty good. We're above that level. So Bitcoin price extends its increase above 44. So that's cool beans, guys. And we're coming back, guys. The US dollar Bitcoin traded close to 45, and it might correct lower in the short term. So we probably, because I just told you about this max paying price that is going to that is the max paying price of the leverage traded positions, and we're seeing that most of the leverage trade positions are short positions right now. So we could actually even see most of them getting wiped out, and we could actually see a short squeeze, and that could take Bitcoin price a little bit higher. So Bitcoin stayed at a recovery wave between 43 and 43 resistance level. So we're above that resistance level. We really wouldn't worry about it too much, and the price is now trading above 44,000 on the 100 hourly, guys. So that's really good. And there's a key raising channel to support nearly 44,250. So we're now above that key support level. So I wouldn't worry about it. I think we could see, depending on how the options expirations come out, and if they are all short positions and they get pushed into a short squeeze, we could definitely be seeing Bitcoin going higher and higher. We could even see maybe $45,000 coming in. So that's really good news. So I love it. You love it. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. If you believe Dogecoin is going to the moon, smash the likes, comment right now. And if you love the OG, don't forget to subscribe. I'm on fire. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. So you can see fear and greed index is 33. So people are less fearful, and more people are looking to get into crypto. So what you need to do when you see a 33 on the fear and greed index, you need to do one thing, and this is a good time to dollar cost average. Buy the dips, guys, and look for bargains. Go bargain hunting. There's a lot of bargains out there. Get it while you can, guys. Let's take a look at the total market cap right now. And before we do, let's take a look at the Doge price. So right now, Doge on the 4-hour chart, we're looking pretty good. Doge just needs to get giddy on up and get past this descending line that I have here, this wedge line, whatever you want to call it, the white line, the purple line, whatever, the line. Dogecoin to the moon. And right now, Dogecoin is trading at 22,000 and 22,000. If Dogecoin was 22,000, I'd be like a gazillionaire. Dogecoin is trading at 22 cents. It just popped up to 22.30, and we just turned green. And you can see that the volumes are picking up on the 4-hour, so not too shabby. And if you look at Doge on the 2-hour chart, we can see right now that Doge had this whole. This almost looks like a cup and handle. I don't know. It's cup and handle. What would you guys call it? Tell me what you think that pattern looks like in the comments. But it looks like we went down. We got lower lows. We had some support around about the 19 cents, some really big support. We've come all the way up again, and you can see right now that we're above the 20-day EMA, right? We're above the 20-day EMA. We are above the 50-day EMA, and so that's looking pretty good. But we're still below the 200-day EMA. I really like to see Doge on the 2-hour get above the 200-day EMA. That would be really cool. But we're above the 20 or above the 50, and then we had this buy indicator. We now have a sell indicator, but it looks like Doge is starting to come back on the 2-hour. We got some red, but it looks like we should start turning green too. So we're at this 0.222, and we've seen this number come up a lot, guys. This 222. So this is a lucky number. This is called an angel number. So it's lucky, guys. So don't panic. I think that we've got this kind of, this is like a big dipper pattern, and often the big dipper pattern goes down, and then this is a neckline right here, and then I think we're going to bounce up, and I think we could be going up to 24 cents this weekend if Bitcoin doesn't get stomped out over the weekend because of these aspirations. But I think because we have the max pay of 44, Dogecoin is going to do really phenomenally fantastic, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin, this is the total market cap. Excuse me, can't read. We're at 2 trillion. We're holding pretty steady at 2 trillion right now. If you look at the Bitcoin price right now, Bitcoin is at 44,263, and that's a good place to be because we're still above the 20-day EMA, this yellow line here. Let me get rid of this white line. So you can see here that we're above the 21-day EMA. Thank goodness for that, because it was looking touch and go there for a while. Let's take a look at Bitcoin on the 4-hour chart. So, Bitcoin needs to stay above this descending line. This was the dump. This was the bump. We got bumped up, and right now Bitcoin is just below my 44,700 range. So it's dropping down a little bit. So hopefully it will pick up on the 4-hour, and that we can stay above this line. Because if we don't stay above this line, then we're going to break down back into here, and then the bump will become the dump, and then we're going back down to 38,000, guys. So don't panic. Don't panic. All right, guys. So let's take a look at Ethereum in the house. Quick, Ethereum is doing pretty much the same thing. It's broken out of this white channel here. It's going up, and it went up. It went up the highest 31.52. It got rejected once, twice. tried to break out 3 times, 4 times. So it's got rejected 4 times. So it keeps hitting its head against this resistance level. And if something hits the resistance level time and time enough, again, it's going to break out soon, guys. So I think we're all just primed up and waiting for Bitcoin to break out, guys. So let's take a look at ADA in the house. ADA is doing the same thing. It's all a little bit breaking down now. The reason everything's kind of breaking down a little bit is because we're seeing that Bitcoin on the Bitcoin on the 4-hour is breaking down a little bit. So that's why you're seeing everything breaking down a little bit. So, I think this, as we get closer to options expiration, you're probably going to see a little bit more red. And then we could see an explosion to the upside on Saturday and Sunday. So we could have a pump it up weekend. Dogecoin in the mountain. So, guys, it's a really great time to be alive. So let's take a look at Solana in the house. Solana is just come down. It's just below my purple line, or just above the purple. It's just like right there. So keep an eye on that. We have our line draw in the sand at 140, and definitely, we're at $144 right now, almost 145. So we need to keep an eye on that. If Solana breaks down to this wedge-shaped area, then we could possibly go down. So we need to stay out of that. If not, it's going to be kind of a bearish kind of thing, and we're going to crash down, and we could see ourselves retesting 108, guys. So, and then we have our overhead resistance 154. So let's just keep an eye on that. I think this weekend is going to be a pump it up weekend. We're going to see more green than we're going to see red. So it's really amazing. So let's take a look at Avalanche in the house. Avalanche is doing pretty good. I broke past that trend line. It's going really good, but it's still getting rejected a little bit today. And that's because Bitcoin is down. Dogecoin to the moon. So you guys are going to love it. I love it. And guys, if you're watching this, don't forget to smash the likes. Do it now. Smash the like. Show the YouTube algorithm that you love this channel. And don't forget, if you're watching the stream, to give super chats, because all the super chats go to the orphans here in Vietnam, guys. So get it while you can. Do it. And I love it, guys. So Avalanche is trading at $72.37, guys. So it's a good time to be alive. So total market cap right now is 2.01. It was 2.04 earlier today. It's come down a little bit. My volumes have picked up at the 77.83 billion. And my Bitcoin dominance is at 41.24. Dogecoin to the moon, guys. And let's take a look at the markets in the house. The total markets right now. Let me get my face out of there. My facey out of there. Get my face. You guys don't want to see the face. All right, guys. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is at 44,145, and it's down slightly in the last 24 hours. It's almost a nothing burger. And Ethereum in the house is at 3,064. It's down 1.7%. ADA is down almost 0.5%, and that's $2.27. And BNB is down 1.55%, and that's 374. And right now we can see Solana in the house is at $144.82, and that's down 3.19%. So Solana needs to giddy up. DOT is showing signs of life. Come on, Dot, you can do it. And it's at $32.06. And Doge in the house is at 222, and that's down almost 1%. I think after lunch here in Asia, things will probably pick up a little bit. And we're seeing that Avalanche is down a little bit. It's at $73.85, but it's up over the week. Luna is also up today, $34.94. And Link is up. Algorand is up. Atom is up. So things are looking pretty peachy keen, guys. Woo! Let's take a look at the Crypto Daily Trade Signals portfolio in the house. This portfolio is for educational purposes only. Right now, our portfolio is at we're up 42.24%, so not too shabby, and we are in profit at $2,132.91. So it's looking pretty good, guys. And the total balance is $7,132, guys. And so, guys, if you were following me with this portfolio that we made July 2nd, you guys would still be in the green, would still be in the positive. So remember, this portfolio is for educational purposes only. So, guys, Dogecoin to the moon. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to follow me on my Twitter. We got 2,323 people on Twitter. So follow me, get your notifications, and don't forget to smash the like, subscribe, and show the love to the OG guys. And don't forget to go to my linky links. This is not financial advice. Go to Zen Music Addict. This is a wife channel. I'm chilling for the wife. So guys, go right here, right now. Subscribe. I ain't saying a thing. I'm waiting for you. I'm waiting for you to subscribe. Subscribe. Do it right now. Help out the wife. Happy wife, happy life. And guys, don't forget to become Patreon members and go to the links and go to www.kofi.com and buy the channel coffee. All the memberships, all the coffees, all the Patreons, they all go to charity. And don't forget to check out my merch. We got hats, we got hoodies, we got polo shirts. I love the polo shirt. It looks very posh and clean. And guys, don't forget to check out the non-clothing items. We got the Muggy Mug. The Muggy Mug makes your coffee taste better, and it's full of love, full of happiness, guys. Get it. And don't forget to get the water bottle, get the backpack. And guys, I just want to say, I'm working for you. I'm working for you. I love you guys. God bless you. All the best. See you in the next one. Spread some love. And Dogecoin. Woo! Let's get it, guys. I love you guys. See you in the next one.